Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mintaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Microsoft PC Manager applications does not allow you to install or you're unable to install it properly on your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Microsoft Store. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open na natin ang Microsoft Store, so dito lang sa taas, dito sa search apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung PC Manager. Ayan. So makikita mo dito yung Microsoft PC Manager, ito siya. Alright, so click mo lang yan. And then, ready to install na ito mga kaibigan. So, dapat nakalagay dito na Microsoft Corporations. Okay, so, click mo lang pong install. And then, if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Yan. So, wait na natin ito na matapos at makomplete yung installations and downloading ito. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung installation niya in downloading. And then, pwede mo na itong i-view. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong open. Okay, in the next step, makikita mo ito mga kaibigan, ang kanyang welcome message, Microsoft PC Manager. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung OK. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So, pwede mo na itong gamitin. Nandito lahat yung mga kailangan natin dito. The home, protections, storage, apps, toolbox, restore, and then settings. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft PC Manager 1 install. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.